Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. This is Java Tutorial 4 If Else Statement in Java. Before starting, if you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. In this tutorial, we will explain the syntax of the conditional operators if else with suitable example. We will focus on the best practices to be followed in order to achieve a better programming style. If else are conditional control statements. Because of them, the program can behave differently based on a defined condition during the execution of the statement. First, I write the syntax. A condition a condition statement of code to be executed if the condition statement of code to be executed if the condition is true. Now else statement statement of code to be executed if the condition is false. This is the syntax. If and else. If you will give here the condition and this statement inside this second bracket, statement of code to be executed if the condition is true. In else, if the statement of the code to be executed if the condition is false, then else part will be executed. Now I will use one real life example to better understand if and else statement. Suppose if someone's age is 18 or over 18, he or she will eligible to donate blood. If someone's age is less than 18, he or she will not eligible to donate blood. First I am using this one. Suppose someone age is 19. I am giving the condition here, age greater than equal 18. Then to print this SOUT, then press tab. You are eligible to donate blood. Blood. I also want that if this part is executed, then I want to print also that this is also if statement. SOUT tab. This is if statement. That you are not eligible to donate blood. I also give this one to print that this is else part. SOUT and this is else part. Else statement. I am giving age equal to 19. 19 greater than 18. Yes, then this two line will be printed. You are eligible to donate blood. This is a statement. Let's check. This statement will not be printed. Run this project. See, you are eligible to donate blood. This is if statement. These two lines executed because this condition is true. Age greater than equal 18. Suppose I am giving 15. Age equal 15. Age 15. 15 greater than 18. The condition is false. Then it will go there else but, and this two line will be executed. You are not eligible to donate blood. This is else statement. Let's check. See, you are not eligible to donate blood. This is else statement. Now let's talk about best practices. Suppose I'm deleting this one. This. Look at the curly brackets. Deleting this one, deleting this one, deleting this one, deleting this one. The curly brackets denoting the body of the conditional operator may be omitted. Let's check. See, I have already deleted it. That means the curly brackets denoting the body of the conditional operator may be omitted. However, it is a good practice to use them. This will make the code is more readable. First, save this one, run this one. Check that UR is not eligible to donate blood. Now I will use curly brackets. See, now make the code is more readable. Saving this one, run. See, now the code is more readable. You can also read that this one is else part by looking at the curly brackets. That this is the statement or body. Therefore, to make the code more readable, we should use curly brackets if and else statement here. Another thing I want to mention that if you use capital if, then we'll get this if will generate an error. If you use capital I if, then we'll also get an error. we have to use a small letter I and F. Same thing also else. You cannot write else uppercase. ELSE. Then this else will generate an error. You can also cannot write else. Capital E and LSE small letter. This else will also generate an error. You have to write else all small letter. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video and if you want to learn more about Java.